Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ayush. You're watching That Tech, and today we're gonna unbox Portronics My Buddy laptop table. So let's get started. So this laptop table will be a great accessory for those who are working from their home in this pandemic sort of situation. I think I should unbox it rather than talking about it. So let's begin. Okay, so I got this desk for rupees 2000 from Amazon.in, and I will leave a link in the description below so that if you guys are interested, you can go and grab one for yourself. Now do watch this video till the end because I'm gonna tell you guys about the usefulness of this desk in this pandemic sort of situation, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video. Now the first impressions, the desk feels very lightweight and the build too feels very premium. It has got a wooden texture on the top and back which looks good, and it has also got a cooling fan here along with rubber hooks to manage the cable, which is good. Now the desk has a beautiful design with large tabletop along with a metal grill for the fan which is surrounded by a white plastic frame. Turning it upside down, you will see its legs which are made of aluminum along with a metal casing for the fan and two rubber hooks to manage the USB cable for the fan. Now to use it, simply pull the legs out, and after opening it, its mechanism will automatically lock the legs and you will be good to go. As you can see, I have placed my 13-inch MacBook Pro covering the vent, and I'm still left with loads of space here. That means using a 16-inch or a 17-inch laptop won't be a problem, and you will be still left with some space, which is good. And also thanks to the large tabletop, you can enjoy your cup of coffee along with your work, which is great. Now coming to the fan, simply connect the USB Type A cable to your device and the fan will start blowing. Now the fan is almost noiseless and it rotates at the speed of around 1800 RPM, which will help in maintaining the temperature of your machine. I find it very useful when I'm heavily using my laptop, especially for video editing. That means the fan does its job well. The U-structured locking mechanism is also a good thing here as it helps in making the desk more sturdy along with providing good stability. And it can also withhold weight up to 30 kgs, which is great. Also the feet have a non-slip grip that will not budge at all and thus providing the desk a good grip. And the little lip around the corners will help in preventing the surface of the desk from scratches, and it also looks pretty good. Now as I was talking earlier about it being helpful in this pandemic situation, so yes, there is a huge number of people who are working from their home, and what most of them do is that they place their laptop on their bed, which is a soft surface, for a longer period of time, and they work, which is not recommended as generally in laptops the air circulation is very important for cooling the internal hardware. Also while doing this, the laptop sucks fresh and cool air via keypad or other vents around the corners if provided, and the hot air blows out through the vents, mostly through the bottom part or the sideways of the laptop. The soft cushion on the bed actually blocks the vents, resulting in the high temperature of the components of the laptops. Just 10 to 15 minutes on the bed and the bottom temperature can rise up to 60 degrees Celsius or more. And high temperatures may damage the internal hardware and it decreases the battery life, and that too permanently. Also ergonomically, the sitting posture will be bad and prolonged use or habit may lead to serious physical injury. So in that case, this desk is very helpful as your sitting posture will be better and also the hardware of your machine won't suffer. And also thanks to the good amount of space that is provided here, you can rest your hands on the desk while using your machine, thus resulting in a comfortable position. Now in terms of usage of the desk, obviously you can use it as a laptop desk on bed or couch as a relaxing workspace. Yes, relaxing because why not, you're working from the comfort of your home. And not only this, but you can also use it as a standing desk in your office to release yourself from all day sitting. Also as a writing or drawing table if you're a creative sort of person. The only problem that I came across while using the desk is when I was using an external keyboard, as there was lack of space and I wasn't able to use it or even place it. So if you are a hardcore gamer or a coder who mainly uses an external keyboard, you're sort of out of luck. So that is only a bit of downside of this desk, but apart from that, it is a good desk. And if you're working from home, especially if you're working on a laptop without any external keyboard, this desk will undoubtedly satisfy your needs and is definitely recommended. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if yes, then do hit the like and the subscribe button because that will be helpful for us. And also I will leave a link in the description below of this desk, so if you guys are interested, you can go and grab one for yourself, and check us out on Instagram and Twitter because we are active there, and I will leave those links in the description below as well. Till then, this is Ayush signing off. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.